So, let's go guys. Eat na tayo. Ayan ang aming simpleng pagkain. Ang aming dinner. May pork barbecue po kami dito. Soup. Ayan. Pancit. My mom. Aking kapatid. Ang aking niece. Ang aking kagailan. That's it guys. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you, mommy. Say thank you to mommy. Thank you, mommy.